How to edit PDF documents in Word. Did you know that you can edit PDF documents using Microsoft Word? If you've ever needed to make changes to a PDF file but didn't have access to specialized software, Word has got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to edit PDF documents using Microsoft Word, making the process quick and hassle-free. Let me start. Click to open Microsoft Word. Open New Document. Click on File. Open. Then click on Browse. Select the PDF file that you would like to edit. Here click on OK. Go on and do all the changes that you would like to make into this PDF file. After that, click on File. Click on Save As. Here click on Browse. Under Save As type, select PDF format. Then click on Save. Now I have successfully edited PDF file in Word. If you new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.